Hi everyone, today we are going to be making sugar crisps in the air fryer. This is so easy, so yummy, and a great way to use up your flour tortillas. What I have here is a flour tortilla. You can use any size you want. I'm going to cut these in strips. You can also do it in triangles if you want. It is totally up to you. So I'm going to go ahead and cut these in strips real quick. I find if you do cut them in strips, it's easier to butter. I have about 1/4 cup of melted butter here. I'm going to go ahead and brush the butter on each of these strips, make sure it's all coated. This is so easy and so good. Okay, now I have some cinnamon sugar here. I have some left over from whatever I made last. You can start out with a 1/4 cup of sugar, either 1/2 teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. We're going to go ahead and sprinkle the cinnamon on here. You can put as much or as little as you like. That's it. We're ready to put this in the air fryer basket. I'm going to go ahead and pop these in here. One quick note I want to add is if you don't put like a rack on these, a few of these might blow because of the strong airflow in the air fryer. I don't mind if a few blow. Here's one example that I did earlier. This is what it did, which I think is kind of cute, and it doesn't bother me whatsoever. But if you have a rack or something that is oven safe you can put in here to keep it from blowing, if that's going to bother you, by all means do that. But right now, we're ready to put these in the air fryer. Okay, we are going to put this on at 350 for 5 minutes. Okay, our 5 minutes is up and they should be ready. And they are. See how one flipped? It's alright. I don't care. There's always one in the bunch that can't behave. Smells like I've been baking cinnamon rolls all day in here. I just love the smell of cinnamon. Okay, let me go plate these up real quick. So if you happen to try one of these right when you take it out of the air fryer, you might be thinking these could be a little bit more crunchier. Just give it a few minutes to cool off and listen to this. Super crunchy. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you everyone for watching, and I will see you soon.